Okay, here we go again, guys. You see we got it all nailed in. I know I don't like that either. I like to bring it down. We like to bring it down in here. This is where it gets tricky. This is the last shingle, right? As you guys see, shingle. And we got to tuck this one up here like that. But also what you got to find out, what you got to make sure is you kind of match what you got. See if I can get it right. See, we're gonna leave it a little low. I'm gonna follow the other shingle right there. See the water line. But also what you want to make sure when you look under there is make sure your shingle is up underneath your other pieces. Like this one here is nailed down. This one's not nailed down. That's the one that we left. We opened up so we could pull this shingle out. So what you're going to do is you're going to lift these tabs up. You're going to nail here, here, there, there. Lift that up, nail there, and that other one, if it's not nailed, it's nailed. And then you're going to come up here. That's going to get that shingle, and then you nail this one here, but it's already on there because it's attached up here. So you're going to nail this one off too. Nail that one off, and then see how it's stuck there. And then what I like to do is I go back with my roofing caulk, and I like to caulk like up under this shingle here, because this is the only place that everything else is nailed the way it's supposed to, and it's going to seal itself. If you want to get crazy, I mean, I don't suggest it, but I have seen people do it, and different people will say different things. If you got a nail that's a little low, let's just say you got a nail that's right there and you think it might have the same problem, go ahead and put a dab of caulk in there, or run a string of silicone or tar or whatever you may have, as long as it's roofing stuff, and run along that shingle. That way the water won't come up. I wouldn't say do that on a brand new roof, because if you do it the right way, it should be okay. A little not two things, or if you're doing your roofing, like I said, I haven't done this one. I don't do work like this, but see, that one is almost a 1/2 inch difference. And what had happened here is that if you look at it, he got off on the string line, so the gap is bigger up there, and then the shingles are smaller here. That there, I wouldn't do that kind of work myself, but like I said, didn't do the work, and that's holding tight. So the areas like this, we're going to come back and squirt a little bit of that silicone in and get it back to right. But that's pretty much your roofing repair. If you guys have any questions or suggestions or anything else, any roofers out there want to put a comment in, try to help some people out, some of these homeowners that can't afford a person to come down, or that want to try to tackle it themselves. Hope this helps you out, and we appreciate y'all stopping in. Y'all have a good week, and stay safe out there. Big Sammy at you. Peace.